Hey guys, I am so excited to show you FabFitFun's fall box, but we're gonna do something a little different because everyone always asks me about the customization, how you can pick your own products. So instead of unboxing, we are going to box the FabFitFun fall with my favorite products, but I'm gonna show you all the variations to choose your own, and obviously with my code, you'll get $10 off. So let's get started with option one. So I don't know how I'm gonna choose with option one because we have the full size Amika hair straightener or super soft plush plaid scarf. Total full vibes. It is really problem with these in my house is my kids steal them for blankets. Every scarf I've gotten in my FabFitFun box has ended up in my kids' closet. They love them. It's so soft. So we have the Anthropologie travel yoga mat, but it is full size. It's just super lightweight, thin, enough you can, you hardcore Bikram yoga, hot yoga, whatever yoga. Travelers, you can take it with you. I love it. I don't know. This is hard. This is what happens every time I go on the website and I have to customize. I'm gonna have to go with the Amika hair straightener. Yeah, final answer. Okay. So option number two, I'm very excited. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know where to begin because this might be the hardest one. I say that every time, but we have the Kate Spade. This is epic. Out to lunch lunchbox. It is insulated, it's perfect, it's super adorable. My kids are gonna steal this, 100%. Milani is gonna use this for herself, for her lunch. But like, I also would love this if you guys are debating on it, like travel case, makeup, being insulated, it feels waterproof. Like if your makeup explodes, which mine does all the time, I feel like it would be safe in here. And it's Kate Spade, so you can't go wrong. This is gonna be a hard one. Dr. Nassif, I don't know if you guys know him, but he's the botch doctor. But these are detox pads for your skin. I just know how huge of a plastic surgeon he is and how well respected he is in the industry. So I'm actually, crap. I don't know if I would pick these. Now I'm debating because I really want to try them. But if I try them, I can't have Kate Spade. So the debate is real, but it's not over yet. The third choice is this beautiful wallet. And again, like I can picture myself with certain outfits with this wallet, very sophisticated, very Beetlejuice as well. So, but we also have one more choice, which the older mid-30s woman in me really appreciates because I feel like my parents that we would get like really excited when someone would give them kitchen stuff for Christmas. And this is how I feel right now because this is a cheese board, super cute, washable plate. So when you cut your cheese, look at, I mean, come on, this is, I don't know which one I want. And this is a problem I have every time. So when you guys are seeing the unboxings and you see the choices, sometimes I actually show different options because you get to choose so much good stuff. So the like adult 34-year-old in me that really wants new kitchen stuff, it would say this, but I'm gonna switch it up and I'm gonna spoil myself and I'm gonna go with the detox pads because my kids stress me out and I wanna see if they work. So that's exciting. I'm already loving my box. So choice number three, we have three options. First option is the Bobble Bar ear crawlers. This is what you do, guys, like the young generation do, where you put it in and it goes up your ear, which is amazing, actually. And I'm thinking of this, but I'm also thinking every time I get jewelry in my FabFitFun box, my daughter's wearing it at school the next day. The necklace that I got in my last box ended up with my, I have a picture of my wig that she decided to wear to school, my glasses, and the necklace. So I really want these, but I'm gonna have to hide these from Milani. We have Pure C. So this is vitamin C mixing crystals. You can put it in any of your facial products, even Naturally Wow, to give you a boost of vitamin C, which is great for complexion, for brightening. I mean, everyone uses vitamin C. Like, it's a necessity. So for this to be in powder form to mix, highly concentrated, unbelievable, which makes this difficult to choose. Or the Better Skin Company Lava Magic, which is a cleanser, scrub, and mask all in one. Shoot, a daily cleanser. I mean, I don't know how to choose because I really love jewelry. Every girl does. But honestly, I'm gonna have to go with cosmetics, Pure C, because I'm so interested to see what it's like with Pure C added to my skincare regimen. So, final answer, vitamin C mixing crystals. Boop. So everything that I've shown you thus far, anybody can choose these products, but the next category is for annual members to choose. You will still get one of these products, but if you want to choose one, upgrade your membership to annual, and then you get to choose like I'm about to right now. Gimme. Sorry, I'm really excited. So we have 4 products to choose from. 1, the mid-30s in me, 2-in-1 grinder, little mill, salt and pepper. I actually really need one of these because my kids fought and broke one in my house, so this is actually really perfect. The Mini Eye Essentials Kit, which is total neutrals, totally my shades, brow pencil, eye pencil, shadow, contours, like, oh, I love this kit. It's one of my favorites. Body Boost Gel with menthol and green tea to help with pre and post workouts. Something I really need. Skin Volve, Tone Firm Smooth Pre-Workout Activator. Love this. Or After Spa Hair Towel. All right, mid-30s and me wins. I really need one of these because my kids really launched it at each other and broke. And these are awesome. So, and I have it as a dual, like you can just whatever. But you can use this with anything because it doesn't necessarily come with the pepper or the salt. So you can put anything in it that you want to have ground up and freshly put on your food. I like it. I'm excited. It's like I'm adulting right now. So we have choice number 5, which is another annual membership where I get to choose, but one of these will be chosen for you if you don't have that membership, but I suggest upgrading so you get to choose because I love choosing. It's like Christmas, but you get to pick out your own Christmas presents. That's why I love FabFitFun. Okay, 3 options to choose from. First is a toner, Truffle Therapy. I love truffles. It's yummy. Essential Face Toner. It just smells like a truffle. It smells really yummy. All right, I'm obsessed with toners. They're so good for your face. Aromatherapy Deep Relaxed Roller Ball. The roll-on. Ooh, you could totally stick this in your purse if your kids are bothering you. Roll it on a little bit. Namaste, calm down. Or third, the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, which I kind of love that name. So since my kids are stressing me out because that's what they do and I love them dearly, I'm gonna try the Deep Relaxed Roller Ball and I'm gonna keep it in my purse for when I need to be relaxed. So the last one is 3 products that every box comes with automatically, and they're like the best products. I get really excited. So these are standard in everyone's box. First, you get the Juice Cleanse. Don't eat these, even though you want to, because they smell delicious. They are exfoliating sugar cubes. You just take one in the shower, you rub it all over, and your skin is beautiful, glowing, polished. So these automatically come in your box. How exciting is that? The second product that will come in the box automatically is the Humankind Body Souffle, vegan and cruelty-free. Oh my God, it smells so good. So everybody will be able to get this as well. And last but not least, Damage Remedy by Aveda, daily hair repair, protects from heat styling. I need protection for life for. It's a leave-in treatment. Amazing. I don't know about you, but I'm very happy with my selections that I got to choose from. Again, you get to choose more if you're an annual member like myself, or you can have it chosen for you for some of the products, but I'm super excited to try these out, especially just having like, I don't know, I love this doctor. I love full-size straighteners, all these body rollers, adulting products. Don't forget to use my code for $10 off on your first box. Cannot wait for you guys to try the FabFitFun fall box. I know you guys are going to love it just as much as I do. Love you guys.